Understanding Canning Funnel, an easy guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting phrase, canning funnel. This might be a new term for many of you, especially if you're not familiar with home canning practices. So, stay tuned as we dive into what it means and how it's used in everyday language. A canning funnel is a kitchen tool, but it's more than just a regular funnel. It's specially designed for the process of canning, which is a method of preserving food. This funnel has a wide mouth and is typically made of metal or plastic. Its primary function is to make it easier to transfer liquids, sauces, or small food items into jars without spilling. This is crucial in canning to maintain cleanliness and efficiency. Home canning is a popular way to preserve food, especially fruits and vegetables. In this process, food is packed into jars, covered with a liquid like syrup or brine, and then sealed and heated to kill harmful bacteria. The canning funnel plays a vital role here. It helps in neatly filling the jars, ensuring that the rims of the jars stay clean for a proper seal. Without a canning funnel, this process would be messy and less effective. While the term canning funnel is primarily used in the context of home canning, it sometimes appears in everyday language as a metaphor. For instance, someone might say, "We need a canning funnel for this project," implying the need for a tool or method to streamline and organize a process, just like a canning funnel directs food into jars. I hope this video has shed some light on what a canning funnel is and how it's used both in the kitchen and metaphorically in everyday language. Remember, learning these specific terms not only expands your vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into different cultural practices, like home canning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.